If you have been following our 3,300-mile journey in our Tesla Model Y from the beginning, you would have seen us travel from Jacksonville, Florida to Erie, Virginia. You last saw us tackling Skyline Drive and showing the EV chargers on and near Skyline Drive. Now we are continuing to head north, and in this leg we travel from Erie, Virginia to Erie, Pennsylvania. We will also show us traveling from Erie up to Fredonia, where we charge at the Supercharger with a magic dock.
We are on our way from Shenandoah to northern Pennsylvania, and this is our first Supercharger stop of the day in Breezewood. It's pretty smoky out. We got a lot of the Canadian wildfire smoke in this part of the country right now. This Breezewood Supercharger is at a combo gas station, Dunkin' Donuts, and also an Italian restaurant that has Poppy's, that has pizza, wings, and subs.
This morning when we left the Airbnb, we realized we had to change our course a little bit because we were being directed on a better route planner, correct? Mm-hmm. A different route because of the toll road in Pennsylvania, and we decided to just go ahead and take the toll road so we could get where we're going faster. And so we changed course. We were originally going to stop in Cumberland, Maryland, but instead we stopped in Breezewood, Pennsylvania. We put 168 miles on the car, and we did it in about 22 minutes. And it was at a Dunkin' Donuts, and it also had a gas station and a pizza place attached to it. It was kind of nice. It had a dog station in the back, and we are currently glad to be back in the car, though, because we are still dealing with a lot of smoke here in Pennsylvania.
And we're just wrapping up a charge here at Cranberry as we continue our way up the western part of Pennsylvania. This is a nice mall here. It's got a bunch of different options to stop by. It does have trash and whatnot as well. But yeah, great charging stop here. And here we are catching a final evening charge before heading to our Airbnb at a Tesla Supercharger in Erie, Pennsylvania.
We're driving through Presque Isle State Park in Erie, Pennsylvania. We did a trickle charge last night, added about 46 miles onto the car, and we're gonna have to see if we can make it to Fredonia to the Supercharger, but we only have 121 miles. We're heading towards Buffalo next.
Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. eyes take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me.
So we have decided, after we did some sightseeing in my old hometown of Erie, we have decided that we are going to go for it and try to make it to Fredonia Supercharger. We have 104 miles. We're supposed to make it there with 14%, which truthfully you are supposed to, right? You're supposed to
that's
do.
what you're supposed to do.
You can run down to about 10% or so.
Yeah, 10 to 20 is what.
10 to 20% is the most efficient when road tripping, but
I usually like to do 20 to give us a little bit of a buffer, so this will be pushing it a little bit more.
so we will see how it goes, see if we make it. Fredonia is the one with the magic dock, so it'll be a cool spot to stop at. Despite us being concerned about what we were going to arrive in Fredonia with in terms of battery, we decided to stop at this You Pick Cherries field on the side of the road and pick a couple pounds of cherries. So hopefully we make it to Fredonia, and if not, give us a little wave when you go by. Did make it to Fredonia, on the side of the road, which we knew actually probably wouldn't happen, but it is a lower state of charge than we like to roll in with. And as you can see, we're getting a high state of charge right now because we came in so low. It's charging very quickly. This is why you would want to stop at the Supercharger at a lower state of charge, because you see these higher charge rates when your battery is lower. And as your battery begins to charge up, the charge rate will start to taper off.
So here we are at the Fredonia charger, and this has a magic dock. Charging at magic dock stations is essentially the same for Teslas, with the exception of pressing the button to release the NACS adapter from the magic dock. For non-Teslas, you use the Tesla app and select Charge Your Non-Tesla, which allows you to search for locations with the magic dock, find the specific post you're at, and unlock the adapter to release the CCS adapter and begin charging. Tesla posts a QR code at all of the stalls to make the process as seamless and streamlined as possible for first-time users. So it was really close. We made it with 36 miles, I believe, 38 or 36 miles of range remaining, about 11%. But we made it, and there's actually another car charging down the way here using the magic dock.
Next up, you will see us travel to potentially one of the best places to go to in an electric vehicle. This city was the first city to have widespread electricity. You'll see us travel on electric boats dedicated to Nikola Tesla and other sites around town. So please hit that like and subscribe button to follow along.